kind of crazy how much I look like my dad with this beard on. Mary McKnight here with Service Dog Academy and Diabetic Alert Dog University. It is Monday, which means it's Medical Alert Dog Monday, where I answer your questions about medical alert dog training. As you know, each week I bring you a socialization item, and this week's socialization item is beards. And the reason why I suggest getting your dog used to beards is because they are attached to males, and it's important to get your dog around males, number one. And number two is they kind of move up and down, you know, and look like a bit like a toy, a soft toy. So it's definitely something you need to get your dog around. And I especially think that you should go to like maybe if you can find one, a beard competition, because they have beards now where like people spray their beards so they come out like almost like a big, I don't even know, like cartoon character beards. I mean, it's really kind of crazy. So get your dog used to beards and go to a beard competition. That would be a great way to get your dog around people with beards. Or just go to Seattle and there's a pretty big beard culture there. Or your local pub might probably have a big beard culture there too. Franklin from Nashville, Tennessee has our question of the week. Now, Franklin has a medical condition called AFib. So Franklin says, I met one of your diabetic alert dogs in Seattle, and the woman told me that her dog also alerts to her AFib episodes. Can you tell me exactly what an AFib alert dog could do, and if the dog could be specifically trained to do AFib alerts for me? So Howard, this is a great question, because what you may not know is that we have recently branched out into training AFib alert dogs since 2015. So our first AFib alert dog was actually an accident. It was actually an owner who had trained her dog for diabetic alert, but then the dog spontaneously started to alert to her AFib episodes. And this happened, I think, around either 2009 or 2010 when we first started training medical alert dogs. For those of you who don't know what AFib is, it is actually a heart condition that stands for atrial fibrillation. With AFib, people's hearts beats irregularly, and it can cause weakness, dizziness, confusion, and even worse complications like throwing off blood clots that can literally lead to comas, death, and strokes. So sometimes people can feel the irregular heartbeats, and sometimes people can't. My own mother has dealt with AFib episodes for a really long time. She's even had 2 surgeries to help her burn off the areas of her heart that were causing the AFib episodes, but she still has this issue. And unfortunately, because of that, I've seen the firsthand, you know, I've experienced firsthand what an AFib episode looks like and what it can do to you. So the first thing is that you can actually teach an alert to an AFib alert dog. That means that this dog can be used to help you prevent falls, know when to pull over if you're driving, allow you to get to a safe location, to have your episode, or utilize medication to stop the episode. In fact, one of our students was so successful with using their AFib alert dog that they were able to use the data that was captured because the dog was alerting so much, and use that information to have the doctor change the person's medication so that it worked better for her. So yes, the dogs can alert prior to an episode. Secondly, the dog can be taught to go get human help during episodes. So personally, I've seen my mom get weak, white as a ghost, dizzy, and need help getting her even safely to the couch to be able to, you know, kind of wait out her AFib episode. So the ability to go and get a human to help you can be a very helpful thing for a person who is experiencing an AFib episode. Thirdly, the dog can be taught to go fetch things for you, like your medications or your blood pressure cuff or your, you know, little finger meter thing that measures your oxygen level, your heart rate, and stuff like that. Or they can go get your cell phone so you can call emergency personnel. So these are just a handful of tasks that you can train an AFib alert dog to do. This is not just, the only things that an AFib alert dog can do, but these are some of the tasks that you can train an AFib alert dog to do for you. And if you want to create unique and unusual ways to have your dog help you, I am excited about that. That's actually what really thrills me about my job is teaching dogs new things that they haven't ever been taught to learn to do before. So, I would love to work with you and find a unique way to help your dog help you, Franklin. So what do you think of my answer? Do you think that you can train an AFib alert dog too? Leave the comment below the YouTube video, or go to our website at servicedogacademy.com and leave a comment there. I have a new medical alert dog class coming up here in the St. Louis area. It's actually being taught in Waterloo, Illinois, which is about 30 minutes away from St. Louis, Missouri. The class is March 29th through April 1st, and there's actually another class coming to Seattle. So we are going to be teaching in Seattle April 5th through the 8th, and one near Boise, Idaho, April 12th through the 15th. If you would like more information about these classes and find out how to enroll in them, please visit my website at servicedogacademy.com or diabeticalertdoguniversity.com. If you are interested in training your own medical alert dog in the comfort of your home, you can go to our online program called Diabetic Alert Dog University and watch the first video for free. If you have questions about purchasing or training a medical alert dog, please email me at mary@servicedogacademy.com, and I will try to answer your question in next week's Medical Alert Dog Monday YouTube video. Be sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe to both our YouTube channel and our email list. And then you'll be notified when we add new classes and add new videos and do maybe another Google Hangout where we teach things for free and allow you to ask questions. So if you're on our list, both our email list and our YouTube list, you're going to get notified when we do things like that. Do you want one-on-one time with me but can't attend one of my classes? That's all right. I can transcend space and time. Well, in reality, I can transcend location. That's about it. But we can use a program called Skype, or we can FaceTime, or we can Google Hangout together, and I can see you and you can see me, and I can help you work through any problems that you're having with your medical alert dog, or address any questions that you have about medical alert dog training using this really cool technology. So you can book an appointment at servicedogacademy.com or diabeticalertdoguniversity.com. I want to remind you that you can change your life with the use of a task-trained medical alert dog, and you can train that dog yourself. All it really takes is time, patience, a dog with the right temperament, and working with the right experienced trainer. I've trained 150 medical alert dogs for diabetes, migraines, narcolepsy, AFib, and POTS, and other experimental alert dogs. So, I want you to be able to succeed with this. And I want you to become part of the Service Dog Academy family. And I want to hear from you and hear about how your dog has saved your life. You can do this.